Dear viewers, it is important you know that we are not doctors, and this video is not a substitute for your medical treatment. For any of your health issues and concerns, please make sure you consult with your doctor or a health professional. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
What you have said to us briefly is very, very expository. I want to ask another question. Do lenses expire?
Yes.
So let me use myself as an example.
Okay.
By the time I use my glasses for like 6 months, 7 months, my eyes begin to itch me. I have to, like, it's not as comfortable as it was
when you visit every practitioner. At the end of the services, they will tell you, come back in the next 1 year, come back in the next 2 years. Let me tell you one thing. You are a woman. I am a woman. You have your monthly cycles.
Would you say you're a woman too?
You are a woman. I am a man. Are you getting me? We are all radiating.
Okay.
Are you getting me? Our eye changes. These lenses, it can expire, but not just in the space of 2 years. But your eye prescription can change within the space of what? 6 months.
Oh.
So if that occurs, you need to go back to the professional who will now rerun another test and then change this particular lens and give you the new lens that is okay to your eye. And at the end of the day, you see normal again.
Okay, so it's
you
my
might
eye
get
that's
better.
undergoing changes,
yes,
not the lens
eye
like that.
changes.
Okay.
The eye changes. Some can stay even 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, and their eye is still the same. Some within the space of what? 2 months. Within the space of even 3 months. I have seen a patient that was using a particular prescription, but because it's hypertensive, within the space of even 3 weeks, the prescription changed 3 times.
Wow.
So it is the body system.
It's the body system.
Exactly.
Wow, this
So
is very
glasses can
educative.
expire. The eye also can what? Change. The prescription of the eye can change. No glass that can, whatever that is made, definitely, if you keep it in one place, as time goes on, it can be changing. Look at this color. It's pure white now. Leave it here in the next 1 year. You can't meet it in this same color.
You're very right,
It
sir.
will change.
You're very right, sir.
Sure.
Thank you so much for your time.
God bless you.
But before we go,
Okay.
what advice would you give our viewers out there for them to be able to maintain good eyesight?
Maintaining your good eyesight is number one. When you discover that you are having issues with your eye, don't go on self-medication. Some people will say, they use urine to pour in the eye and their eye get better. Else, Mr. B use orange to pour in the eye and the eye get better. Visit the professional. When you visit the professional, they will tell you exactly what is your problem and you begin to solve it gradually. Those things that you think that is costly might be very, very cheap, pocket friendly. And don't go on self-medication going to meet somebody by the roadside. I am not condemning the product, but I say due process must be what? Done before you begin to use those glasses. That is what I'm trying to say.
Okay.
So visit the professionals. If you know your optician, your optometrist, your ophthalmologist, visit them so that they can be able to direct you the best way to go. And you have your glasses. Very simple.
And for those that are that have to make use of this
The computer system,
devices
the
for a long
devices,
period of time,
make sure you put on what we call anti-blue ray protection. Anti-blue ray protection, so that at the end of, even if you use your system for the past 5 hours, 6 hours, 7 hours, you still get yourself as you were before going there. But if you doubt me, go on.
Thank you so much, sir.
God bless you,
sir,
Mr. Maisha. Yeah.
I'm very sure that we're going to have viewers who will want to make use of your services. How do they locate you?
Well, very, very simple. If you come down to Ikeja here where I am practicing, I am at number 32 Obafemi Awolowo Way. But I advise you, I cannot do the work of an ophthalmologist, neither can I do the work of an optometrist. If you have visited them, come down with the prescription of your lenses. And I tell you, all these that I have here, they are non-prescribed lens frames. Then we use those lenses over there. You can show them. Those lenses over there, they have different what type of lenses from there. It is out of there we pick the prescription number and get a frame that fits you and do what? Fix your lens. I have a customer, by the grace of God, waiting for me already. And definitely at the end of the day, she will smile away. It wouldn't take her time. You can testify.
Yes,
I provided this. And they've been enjoying it. So,
yes.
God is good.
All the time.
Very, very good. You know, the eye is very, very essential. In every other part of the body, none can be compared with the eye.
You're right.
You can do without your nose.
Really?
Yes. You can close the nose. Are you getting me? But close the eye and you see how the whole world will look like.
You're right.
You can do without talking. Abi? But close the eye. You won't know what you are going to eat.
You're right.
So the eye is very, very what? Important. It's the light of the body. And when the whole of the body is full of light, I think sickness will be far from you.
Thank you so much, Comrade Samson. You're too much.
You are good in coming.
Dear fans, dear followers, you have heard it all from the optician himself. Take care of your eyes. And if you're like me, that you have to work with devices, please use an anti-blue ray protection. For me, I have medicated glasses that have been coated with the anti-blue ray. So it's a two-in-one device, or whatever that is called.
An experiment to do. You look at this now. This is a Blu-ray light on the lenses. The Blu-ray light wouldn't allow this light
To penetrate.
The glasses, because it is anti-Blu-ray, it wouldn't allow the light to penetrate into the eye. Ordinarily, if you remove these glasses, you cannot be able to withstand this particular Blu-ray. So this is the Blu-ray itself, and this is the anti-Blu-ray lenses. God bless you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Now, my dear viewers, if you are just joining us for the first time, please subscribe, hit the notification button, like our videos, share and comment. And if you're a returning viewer, God bless you. You are the real MVP. But don't forget to like and share this video. See you next time. Bye.